YouTube's Allow Embedding feature is a powerful yet often overlooked tool that can significantly impact the reach and visibility of your videos. When you upload a video to YouTube, you have many choices about how your content is shared and who can see it. Among these options is a simple checkbox labeled Allow Embedding. But what does this feature actually do? And why should you care about it as a content creator, marketer, or even just a casual uploader? At its core, the Allow Embedding option controls whether your YouTube video can be displayed on websites outside of YouTube itself. Embedding means taking a video and placing it directly onto another web page, such as a blog post, a news article, or a business website, so that visitors to that page can watch the video without leaving the site. When embedding is enabled, anyone can use a piece of code provided by YouTube to showcase your video wherever they like on the web. The advantages of enabling embedding are substantial. First and foremost, it dramatically increases your video's potential audience. Instead of being limited to people who specifically visit YouTube and find your content, your video can appear wherever your supporters, fans, or collaborators choose to share it. Imagine a popular blogger writing about your topic and embedding your video for their readers, or an online magazine featuring your content in a news story. Each new website that hosts your video creates another gateway for viewers to discover and engage with your work. This wider reach isn't just about raw view counts, it also boosts your brand exposure and awareness. When your videos are embedded across diverse platforms, a much broader and potentially more varied audience becomes familiar with your message, products, or expertise. This helps build recognition and trust, which are key ingredients in growing an online presence. There's also a significant benefit to your channel's engagement. Videos embedded on external sites can still gather likes, comments, and shares, all of which contribute to your channel's activity and social proof. These interactions can help your video perform better in YouTube's own algorithms, increasing the likelihood that it's recommended to other viewers. In essence, embedding acts as a form of free advertising, where audiences from high-traffic sites can engage with your content and potentially become subscribers. From a technical standpoint, enabling embedding can also improve your search engine optimization, or SEO. When your video is shared and embedded on reputable websites, it generates backlinks to your channel. These backlinks signal to search engines that your content is valuable and relevant, which can help your videos and your channel rank higher in search results, both on YouTube and across the broader web. Of course, there may be situations where you want to restrict where your content appears. If you disable embedding, your video can only be watched directly on YouTube. This gives you more control, but it also limits your potential audience and engagement. If you ever find your video being misused or placed on an inappropriate site, YouTube provides tools to report content violations and request removals. Enabling or disabling embedding is an easy process. In YouTube Studio, select the video you want to edit, go to its details, and under More Options, you'll find the Allow Embedding checkbox. Checking it opens your video up to the wider web. Unchecking it restricts it to YouTube only. In summary, YouTube's Allow Embedding option is a gateway to broader reach, enhanced SEO, greater engagement, and free exposure. For most creators and brands, enabling embedding is a smart move, helping your video travel beyond YouTube's walls and into the wider world of the internet. Whether you're building a brand, sharing your story, or simply hoping to reach more people, understanding and utilizing this feature can make a significant difference in your online success.